So, good night. Today I'm talking about antiderivatives. An antiderivative is basically going backwards from the derivative you have right now. So, a function is an antiderivative of f on an interval if f prime of x equals f of x on all x in the function. So all antiderivatives are separated by a constant, meaning you can have any derivative. Let's just say it is x to the fourth power, right? And we want to find the antiderivative of that. The antiderivative would be 1/5 x to the fifth power. We get that by going backwards. So if you want to work this out and make sure and find the derivative of this to make sure it's that, you say 5 times 1/5 would give you 1. Then x, 5 minus 1 is 4, you would get that. So you can always work out your antiderivatives to find the derivative and make sure the answer is correct. So the only way that this would be correct is if you have a plus c. So that's what I mean when all antiderivatives are separated by a constant. So this could be, I don't know, maybe 6 or 4 or 100 or 1,000,000, but the reason why it's separated is because we don't know what this is, but we know it could be 0. We know that there is some sort of constant to separate the antiderivatives. So let's say maybe we got x squared plus 4. How would we go backwards? So we know that this would be 3 because it would be n plus 1 because to get this we said n minus 1. So we know that 3 goes at the top, right? But if we're multiplying 3 to the front because we bring down the power from before, it'd be 1/3 x cubed plus 4x. And this would be your antiderivative of this. So we cannot forget plus c because, like we said, all antiderivatives are separated by a constant. If we were to find out the derivative of this to make sure it's right, it would be 3 times 1/3 is 1 x squared plus 4, and that would be our our derivative. So just a short video about antiderivatives. I hope this helped.